Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can leave and erase Samsung blockchain wallet on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Next, swipe up to go into the app screen and then open up blockchain wallet. From here, make sure you are back at the home page, at the wallet home page, and then tap on the more button. From the pop-up, tap on settings. In the settings page, scroll down and tap on leave Samsung blockchain wallet. Now tap the button below to erase your Samsung blockchain wallet data from your Samsung account. Some data may not be erased if a law requires us to retain it. If retention is required, we'll erase it as soon as the retention period ends. Now tap on leave Samsung blockchain wallet button to proceed. And that's it. So now we have removed the data. So if you tap on blockchain wallet again, you can see the app will refresh and start new. You will need to tap on the continue button and set up your blockchain wallet again in order for you to use the crypto wallet. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.